We'll guide you through how to download and install BSL shaders in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. BSL shaders can go and make Minecraft look really cool. You may be bored of the current look, and so you want to go and get a shader pack. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So come and close out of Minecraft like so. Then what you can do is go and open a web browser of your choice. I use Chrome, but you could use Edge. Go and search for a site called CurseForge. You can get loads of different things related to Minecraft here. Just before we get any further though, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server to go and play with your friends, check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. We can go and scroll down and start checking out some of their great features, like you get a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backups as well. I really like the support as you can get help anytime you need it. So definitely go and check them out, link down below. But to continue with the guide, when you're on CurseForge, scroll down and you can go and find Minecraft, press browse all at the top, and then here we can search, and we're gonna go and type in BSL shaders, and here they are here. So we can go and click on the pack, then you want to go and press files. Now, you want to go and choose the version you want. So I'm just going to go and get it the latest. At the moment, that's 26.2. So I'll press download to the right. It may go and be different for you, but that doesn't matter. Go and download it. And it now has. Now, what we're going to do is we need to go and search for what we're going to run the shaders with. For that, we're using Iris shaders. So you can go and type in Iris shaders, come to the site. Then you want to go and click download here as well. And you can press download for Windows, and it will then go and download. It's been blocked, but we can click it in the top right and press download and verified file. Then you want to go and open up your file explorer at the bottom and press downloads to the left. Find Iris installer and double click on it. Press more info and press run anyway. I'll go and get 26.2 as the game version. I got the shaders in that as well, and we can press install and it's completed. Open up Minecraft. Make sure you select it to the left and then press play. Now, what you need to do is go and pause by pressing escape and press options, then video settings. It looks different as we're using sodium. Press shader packs and press open shader pack folder. Now click on your file explorer at the bottom and you want to go and click downloads and drag in BSL into the shader pack folder. Then you select it and go and press apply. Then we can unpause by pressing escape, and here we are, we're using BSL.